Beach Muffin!
It's in Zushi?
Yeah, it's like a 10-minute walk from the station.
Pretty much all vegans, except for honey.
Yeah.
Let's go.
May change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life, just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life, just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season.
I just like the whole store because it's just so chill. The atmosphere is so nice, and then with that simple food, it's like such like you can taste all the ingredients. It's just so good. It's just good. Okay, you have to come here. You have to.
フィッシュバーガーめっちゃ美味しかった。めちゃ美味しかった。あとスムージー。絶対スムージー。絶対来るべき。
Like the burrito. Oh, it's so good. It's like it's crispy on the outside and warm on the inside. And the smoothies are amazing. And the atmosphere here. And the people working, they have tattoos, which is very rare in Japan. Yeah. Really want to come back.
To see all of this greatness. Look at that.
We're done eating.
So full.
Yes. You get to go home sadly, but we will now go to the beach. Because it's only like a 10-minute walk. Not even.
Not even, it's like 5 at most. So we're just gonna go chill. We're gonna try to get tan with our super white skin.
Wear sunscreen. If I could offer you only one tip for the future, sunscreen would be it. The long-term benefits of sunscreen have been proved by scientists, whereas the rest of my advice has no basis more reliable than my own meandering experience. I will dispense this advice now. Enjoy the power and beauty of your youth. Oh, never mind. You will not understand the power and beauty of your youth until they've faded. But trust me, in 20 years, you'll look back at photos of yourself and recall in a way you can't grasp now how much possibility lay before you and how fabulous you really looked. You are not as fat as you imagine. Don't worry about the future, or worry, but know that worrying is as effective as trying to solve an algebra equation by chewing bubblegum. The real troubles in your life are apt to be things that never crossed your worried mind. The kind that blindside you at 4 p.m. on some idle Tuesday.